goodness. Can't see this building properly, man. That's all right. I'm just swimming the swimming pool. Oh, yeah? Wow, this building, massive building. Yes, guys, this is amazing block of flats. And guess what? All these buildings have one thing. They have the American embassy next door. Yeah, you see this block is amazing. Look, there's a swimming pool that links both buildings. See that? Can you see that? Can you see somebody swimming in there? Look there. They put swimming pool linking two blocks of flats. Wow, that is pretty impressive. Look at that. This is just breathtaking. I love that. That's nice. I like to see something innovative like that. You don't see that every day. A swimming pool made of glass, see-through, linking two buildings, and people are actually swimming in it. That would be fantastic in the summer. I don't know what they try to do. It's not warm unless the water is big. It's warm, maybe. You must be with heated water. Yeah. But then again, how about the maintenance? They must clean it regularly also. For crying out loud. Oh, man. Mankind and their genius. That's the ingenuity of mankind. That is fantastic. Ingenuity of mankind knows no bounds. Yeah, I just want to show you this quickly. That's a swimming pool in between the two block of flats, and they have the American embassy next door. Super. Okay, this is it. I'm done. Okay, just to let me show you. This is the new American embassy in London. You can see the security cordon around it, cameras everywhere. Yeah, in fact, it's surrounded by water from the other side. And this thing, how you gonna get through it? You can't. And then they built high-rise buildings around it. So if you think you can fly a plane to eat it, the chances are you're gonna crash into one of these buildings before you get to the embassy. Yeah, that's the American embassy there, the new one. And then this is one of my iconic building right now in London. Swimming pool linking 2-story buildings. Wow, how many stories are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 stories high. And they have a swimming pool on the top floor of it. Fantastic. Okay guys, this is my rant right now. So we're gonna go for a drink, and then yeah, that'll be it. Alright, thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.